Hi, welcome back to another episode.
And for those who are new here, we are Calvin and Ksenia.
We sold our house in Canada and bought a sailboat in Grenada.
In this week's episode, we finish up a couple projects needed before the boat can splash. We hope you enjoy it.
So we're going to inflate our dinghy. Hopefully it holds air, hopefully it floats, hopefully the motor turns on. Let's see. What's the plan, Captain?
We need to pick a halyard so that we can drop the dinghy down in a controlled fashion, and then we'll pull the car over, inflate the dinghy, and then we'll pull the dinghy back up in a controlled fashion. Okay. Okay, you're gonna help lift it over the edge on the other side of the dinghy?
Yeah.
And your
Hoist
side.
it a little higher? Yeah.
Just over here. Inflating?
Well, it's bigger than I expected.
Yeah, seriously. It has an inflatable bottom here.
That's promising.
Where's the inflator side?
Well, we were unpacking in the boat and then we looked down at the dinghy. As you can see, half of it has deflated. Tomorrow morning we'll head to the marine store. We'll try to pick up a patch. Hopefully we can find where the hole is or holes are. And we'll try reinflating it again. Not great, but we do want to lift it up back onto the deck tonight.
This guy up.
Alright, so this morning I'm going back to dig a hole under the boat so that we can reinstall the rudder. The rudder has a long piece of metal that needs to be inserted in a straight line into the collar that holds the rudder into place for steering. And there's not enough space to get the whole 5.5 foot rudder as well as the additional 3 or 4 feet of rudder stock into the steering linkage. So the plan is to go down there and dig our hole before it gets too hot, because I think it's about 6:30 right now and it's already 28, 29 degrees. It's only gonna get hotter as the sun climbs. This is our starting point. One hole where the rudder must go, and one flat piece of ground where the rudder must go. We have the rudder, which has been repaired and anti-fouled and is ready for reinstallation.
That big rock there.
Well, good thing we have the big rock to little rock converter.
Saw that one. 3, 2, 1, up.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
You can push that up?
No, not by hand.
Can we try? I'm a strong dude, man.
We can try.
You wanna use your ratchet? Yeah, this thing is stronger than us, man.
Yeah. Place here.
She went there a bit.
Now twist up
Keep going.
and put the ring around.
Perfect. Like, hello. We're close. You're a hero.
More?
More.
Okay.
That's good.
Keep going.
Yeah, now I'm beginning to see the.
Right, pressure now, yeah?
Yep.
Okay, it's come through. You want me to thread it on?
Thank God you were here.
All right, back on the boat again. And today's job is to install the quadrant back on the rudder, which we managed to get the rudder attached last night. This is one half the quadrant, one half the other half of the quadrant. Now let's climb into the hard to reach lazarette and start attaching things. We're going in. Just kind of awkward. Well, they are reconnected. Now I just need to attach the steering. Are you planning on using the steering? Yes.
Oh, well, yes.
And everything looks like it's straight and lined up, so I'm feeling good about that. Before I climb out of here though, once I've got this all tightened up, I'm gonna have you go up and turn the wheel. All right, I get you to go turn the wheel, please.
Turning.
Yep.
Easily with no resistance up here.
Feels good?
Yeah, it turns easily up here.
All right, we have steering. Mission accomplished.
Good morning. Another beautiful day in paradise. And today we're doing some more prep for when we are ready to move on to the boat, which involves going to the boat store and spending a lot of money.
We're going on a shopping spree.
Yeah. Driving on the wrong side of the road. Are you accustomed to it now?
Yeah, I'm good with it. Basically, there's no rules other than go first and go fast. Let lots of people in. So if I'm at a stop, or if there's someone who's trying to merge, or if there's someone who's trying to cross the road, always let them through. Or just like generally driving, go first and go fast.
Battery time. Do we ask for help then?
Yeah, let's go find our battery dude.
Varnish. It's the good stuff.
Gotta get it.
What's next?
Should we look at the barbecues?
Sure.
Upon further consideration, the barbecues are way too expensive, so we will not be getting a barbecue right now. We'll make do, and we have a stove and an oven inside that we can cook on. And we'll just get a barbecue when we get somewhere and they are being sold for reasonable prices.
Stainless. I think this is the one. We'll get the big one because they got a lot of stuff to clear. Get a deck cleaner. Should we get a deck brush as well?
Yeah.
I think that'll do it. And that's
Right? Yes, this is a whole spirit. This is what it looks like. Interchangeable heads. With an elastic attached to the back. You can have it short, medium, or long. It's good. We get a 3-prong, a long 3-prong. And the short 5-prong.
perfect. That's it.
We're set.
There it is. Our new fridge.
I think this will fit in the back seat of the What do you think?
No, I don't think it will. We can strap Luna to the roof. Looks not light.
It is not fun.
Thanks again. See you later.
See if we can stand it up on its side in here.
I can't believe we fit the Dometic and Luna. Oh, tight squeeze, but it worked.
You're squished.
Let's go home. And of course, it just started raining.
Classic.
We got everything we need except for a couple of flags that we'll go to another store for.
And a barbecue.
And a barbecue because it's really expensive here. And now it's time for Luna to nap, so we're gonna head back, maybe go for a swim. That's it for this week. Thanks for watching.
A special shout out to my parents for spending time on their vacation to help me dig a hole under the boat for the rudder.
If you made it this far, please give us a like and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our upcoming videos.
Next week, the boat finally goes in the water. We move our family aboard, and in true Escapaders fashion, nothing goes according to plan.
See you then.